And here you can see the products are visible in the shop page. Okay, now if I copy my link, my website link, okay, now let me visit the website. Okay, in the incognito tab, let me visit my website from the incognito tab or else another browser. Here you can see my website is it is showing like my website is still showing as check back soon. Okay, this page is visible but no products are visible. Only here I have logged in to the backend, and the front end I'm able to see these products. Okay, if someone wants to see your website from the front end, if they are opening from the another region, if they want to check the details in your website, or if they want to see, or else if you're designing a website for your client, if the client want to see the front end of the website, it is not visible in the front end. Okay, so there are some settings we need to customize in the backend. So let me close all these tabs. To learn in-depth tutorials about e-commerce website designing, first you can visit my channel BBSHARED Web Developer, and if you visit my website, here you can see I have created 6+ servers free e-commerce website designing course 2026, where in this course you will learn complete e-commerce website designing course, like how to create simple product, variable product, grouped product, affiliate product, virtual product, how to integrate payment gateway, shipping methods and all. Okay, so visit my channel and watch this video. I will put this link in the last of this video thumbnail, and also I have kept this link below this video description. Please do check and watch this entire 6 hours plus video to become professional in e-commerce website designing. Please go back to dashboard, and here go to WooCommerce settings option, and you can make your site visibility on the front end or not as per your requirements. Go to site visibility option. Here you can see the site visibility. Here I changed the site visibility to coming soon option. Okay, if someone visits our website, because our website is still under construction, so I want this website should be in coming soon. Okay, so if you want to show only like a store pages, so if you want to enable this coming soon option only to the like shop page only, click on this enable option and click on save changes. Okay, now let's visit our website in the incognito tab. So after enabling this, only the shop page pages will not be visible, but front end of remaining pages will be visible. Okay, let me visit this website in new tab, and let me click on this refresh option, and here you can see the website is visible. I can see the home page, about page, contact page, track order, my account page and everything, but I am not able to see this shop page because it's also comes under launching soon option. Okay, you can also change this option. If you, until you make this website to live, until you launch the website, no one can see what are the products you have added in your website. Okay, and now I change it from coming soon option to live option and click on save changes. Now let's visit this website again. Let me visit this website in the incognito tab and click on refresh option. Now here you can see I have launched this website. I have made the website site visibility as live. So now all the products in my websites are visible in the front page. Okay, if you want only specific people should see products in your website, means like under when you are creating the website, under when it's under construction. Okay, you can click on this coming soon option. You can enable this option, share your site with a private link. Okay, click on save changes, click to switch option. If I change this option from coming soon, and if I enable this option, share your site with a private link, only the persons, only the customers or the clients who have this private link can access your website. Okay, if I click on this copied option, let me copy this link. So now I have copied this private link. Okay, now let me open link in new tab and let me paste this private link over here. Let me paste this private link over here. Let me click on enter. Only the people or the customers with this private link, they can view the products in the shop page. Here you can see I can able to visit this view these products in the shop page because I'm having this private link. Okay, so privately you can share this this private link to the persons who wants to visit your website. Okay, you can share it privately. So that's how you can add like extra like a security layer, or you can hide the website from everyone. Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is BBSHARED and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.